how you doing?
Hey, Mickey,
What do you have?
glass of water.
Glass of water.
Bang, bang, you are dead. Wake up, you moron.
You got me?
Come over here. Sit down. You remember Ivan?
No.
Guy you saw me talking to. This guy. This guy.
Oh, yes. You guys had the little kiss.
Very funny. What would you say if I told you he was going to rob your cousin?
I'd say, what problem has he got with my cousin?
Hold on. Hey, hey, gorgeous. No, I can't talk right now. What are you wearing? No, I'm underneath. Well, listen, I'll call you back, huh? Sorry.
Who was that?
Never you mind.
Was it Ivan?
Ooh, that's funny. You know, for a dumb yokel, you're a very funny guy.
Yes, and for an annoying dick, you're really an annoying dick.
Well, it's a real shame then that I am the guy with the powerful friends, and you're the little bump whose only friends is some fat weasel who drives the fucking cab!
So, why is Ivan going to rob my cousin?
Because I want you to kill him.
What?
He's angered Mikhail, Mr. Faust. Offended him. He thinks he's stealing some paperwork from her mom. You catch him and kill him. Then we say it was just a robbery, that's it.
And what if I say, I don't want to be your hitman?
Then Mr. Faustin will be very angry with you. And your cousin.
Okay.
I knew we would understand each other once I put it in this simple way. Now, go wait for him at the car depot. Hey, gorgeous. Yeah, where were we? Okay, now listen. Let's talk about tonight.
That pub is blocking me.
Making me kill this guy. Man! I'm gonna catch you, asshole! I wasn't sure about killing you when Vlad asked me. Now I'm coming around to the idea. Not fucking funny.
If you love all that lip-sync junk they call music these days, this station is definitely not for you. These people don't need a laptop to make music.
Stay the fuck away from me! I was set up!
Man, I'm starting to sweat. Shit! You trying to rob my cousin?
Vlad's a bum! He set me up!
Vlad don't like you no more, man.
There's nothing in this town! Don't do this for him!
I thought everyone in this country was fat and slow.
see that?
Ah, there ain't nowhere left for you to run. Ah! Get up. If Vlad wants you dead, you can't be all bad. Stay out of Hove Beach.
Thank you. You won't regret this, man. I am out of here. Wanted to live anyway, get away from all these people from back home. Get into the real America. You're never gonna see me around here again. I owe you my life, man. You're a good man. You're a good man. Thank you.
You won't be seeing your boyfriend Ivan no more. Oh, are you going to miss him?
No, I'm not. I'm getting enough pussy at the moment. I tell you, it's so much better if women already have a man, because you don't have to deal with all this shit all day. Take Mallory, for example.
Fuck you! You say this to my face and I will break you.
I should be sponsored by Redwood cigarettes. What the fucking fuck?
Promise you've mowed the yard today.
The Suburbs, the TV show that allows you to watch other people come home from work, sit on their couch, and stare into space, just like you. And this week, something exciting happens in the community.
Those immigrant kids are playing in front of the house again.
Watch The Suburbs and see what we're all really like. Suspicious of neighbors, paranoid, bored, competitive, depressed, and swinging. Which are you? Find out Friday nights next season.
Отвали! Shit!
Hey, taxi!
Where you going,
I want to go to Dillon Street, yeah?
Hey, man, it's me. We should eat together.
Okay, man, get ready. I will be with you in next hour.
Great, Nico. See you in a while.
Get a fucking
Sometimes.
This is it.
I'm gonna give you the spanking.
Move it along, Roscoe.
NP, my cousin. Why don't we find a car so we can go?
Old enough to see them. How do you know they suck?
We're going to Carson Street, yeah?
Nico B in the house! Man, sometimes I cannot believe you're here with me. Really, I can't.
It's hardly been a lot of fun since I turned up, cousin.
Correct. It has been a fucking nightmare, but that's not the point.
No?
No, the point is, fuck it. The Bellic cousins are here in a land of opportunity, and we are making trouble for any fools who get in our way.
If you say so.
I do say so, man. I do. I just did. It's good to have you here. Whatever shit we get into, man, it's good.
Thanks. Don't you miss home? You've been there a long time. You never get homesick?
Sure. I miss things about home, but I think things are ruined now.
Yes, I know what you mean.
I miss the good times we had as children. When our fathers were too drunk to beat us. When there was food and the sun was shining. But now I live here and life is good.
Is it?
Yes, cousin, it is. Sure, this place is crazy, but so is home. And here it is okay to be an eccentric go-getter businessman with a taste for fine women, wine, and song.
Is that how you see yourself? My God, you are deranged, cousin. This place has made you sick.
Fuck you. I'm an individual, my friend. One of a kind.
Or, to put it another way, a freak.
Here we are.
Thank you.
Move it or I'll shoot you. Nico, I could suck a Bliederberger dry. This is my favorite. What amazing burgers. I feel another chin growing on my face. Do you see it? Okay, I'm ready to go home. You will drive your cousin? You!
No, wait.
Where you wanna go, Heaven?
Some asshole, some limp ass nuts.
Take me
plays
to
golf
Iroquois
and
Avenue,
makes $1
please.
million a year.
If it's cool, I'd like to listen to something else.
This is it, mi compadre. We're here. See you later, NB. Give me a call, yes?
I needed that. Hell yeah. That's the shit.
Hey, learn to walk.
It's Nico.
Nico. Yeah, me bleached hard last night, you know. The sun come, yo. Just hold on.
What?
What up, Nico?
Hey,
Glad to see the man, you know. Want to my man, Roman.
Roman. He's okay. He's still waiting for his big break, eh?
Big break. Sure. I promise I'll comfort to a fool, you know, Nico. A boy for creep before him can walk, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's go for a little drive. Come. Yeah, I have a deal for make, you know. We have to go down to Saratoga Avenue in Willis. You mind taking this wheel? This herb don't do too well for my honor, my eye coordination. You sure you don't want some?
I'm sure.
You might not keep the windows closed. Keep the ganja in the car. Hot box, see?
So what's the deal?
I'm buying some curry off a new sauce, you know? Don't know if it's all this herb, but I'm major paranoid, I don't trust them.
Who arranged this deal?
Some harbor shot in the crew. Bad one know them a long time, but I think them faced it. If this goes wrong, I don't know what kind of shit bad man going to lay upon them door, you know?
You think this is a setup?
I don't know. I've been smoking hard, you know. It fucks with my brain and everything. Let me think all type of shit. I dread don't trust yourself, can't trust no one else, see? You can't shake no hands when your fist be clenched. You hear me, brother?
Sure, I hear you.
Go around the back in case one of them try to get jumped and run off with the ganja. Keep out of this vehicle, we might need to get out of here quick.
You know the song, man, when Yellow Moon did not come out to play, I realized I was living in concrete jungle.
Sure, they didn't have no stuff, you know. They tried to take my car in. I still got it, though. Finish them if them try to come out the back. I got the front covered. Everything crash, Virgin, run, yeah? Yo, head in!
I said,
I got them.
You're a real bad man in a Nico. Respect. Power of Savannah Avenue in Meadows Park. You're a bad boy, Nico. I don't know what I will be doing without you, though. But I say I got to get the blood clots to set tie up.
All right.
Drive while I black up some more, you know, brother. Rascal, I think you can call a bad man. You're a fool. You're a dead fool. Boy, there's no match for I and I. Nothing. Here we be. Are you with me, brother?
Yes.
I'm gonna put some road boy in the ground. Let's go, Nico. All right, you ready? I'm gonna set this place on fire to blood clot. We can't get the shot on the boy. Check the window. You see him up there? on, Nico. Cover right. You're dead now, boy. Feel like cheap boys. I got you, I think. Wicked. You see it? And I get them all. Yo, make we broke out here. I think some more soon turn up.
Crime to illegal.
Ricky, I'll tell me back at the cafe and thing. Real bad man gonna be happy with this and thing. Janu. Thank you, my brother.
Don't mention it. It was a pleasure.
I look out for bad man like how you look out for raw man.
He's my cousin.
It's gotta be the thickest band there is, you know? Life is not always an easy thing in a style. Bad man tell me, say, yo, Jacob, kill him. Jacob, shoot that, etc., etc. It's always logical, but I follow. See? The other day, them could stab a man for giving a school face.
Orders are sometimes hard. You must be sure you agree before you follow. I have made that mistake myself a long time ago.
For real. I know you're right, you know, brother. But Batman is my bro. I follow him wherever.
As undermining the family values that make this nation great.
There. Thanks for everything. Keep this into something and say, yo, we appreciate your assistance, see? You talk to your soul.
See you later.
Wanna say hi to all you?
Nobody want to disrespect us.
Touch me again. It's gonna cost
Hey,
you.
Cap!
You can't grab a piece of me for free.
Hey, where you
Take me
going,
to
man?
Iroquois Avenue, please. If it's cool, I'd like to listen to something else.
No problem. I'll live for this shit.
Hi, it's Nico. Nico Bellic. Listen, do you want to go out?
Yes. Pick me up in an hour.
Okay, see you in an hour. We're going to make... So can you take me to
Here we are,
Mohawk
man.
Avenue,
And
yes?
up the line.
Hey, Nico, you look well. Let's find a car. You're wearing that. Good. You look good.
Don't talk about, let's go.
If you say
Would you
so.
please put the radio on another station?
Here we are, then.
Cool, cool. Haven't played for ages.
What one?
You break, okay?
Yeah, man, must be Radio Barbicanda's Liberty City for life. That's what we say. Big up everybody in the garrison for real. All right now it's all about the Big Yard family. Shaggy.
Now
You ever
you're in
notice
trouble.
Some of the people on TV are the biggest hypocrites. Some of the people that go to church on Sunday are the biggest hypocrites. And all they want to do is take poor people's money and tell them some big lies.
can't sink one every time.
Go church from all long. I sleep through the morning and put on a slam. But me woman she a pressure me fi go confession. So me decide fi go and kill the conversation. So me sit down Robbie say Sister Pam, who a tell me everything about the congregation. About Sister Paulette and her gay husband and how she still asleep with the minibus man. Sister Gwen claim she a Christian, but last night them catch her in a stone love session. She a do the dirty dance to the Mataran song, and I say she give the thing them from Baby Sham.
That was good.
Think that's a foul.
Then she proceed fit about the man. Them only come a service, they look church woman. And they pull up the gal and talk about religion. But me couldn't say nothing because
well done.
Yeah, man, shout to the Big Yard family. You know what it is, Shaggy. For real, Massive B Radio.
I got one.
It goes by the name of Munga and the Rebel. I said Munga and the Rebel. Massive B Radio, we in the streets, hard body. You know when we tell some haters?
Great.
You know when we tell some haters? Munga, tell them, boy. Yo, tell them.
Ouch, I hope that wasn't on purpose.
Something must be wrong with these guys. See them coming under these guys. Something to get them from the east side. Blood run like water on the seaside. Five-star raise up politics start. Fight on rise up politics start. We can get politics harder. Let me for me attack.
Hey, you sunk one.
When the king start, Munga me show them how the king starts. I'm talking and we make fully pin for explosion. Everything sing up. Menacing up the from the freedom. Munga praise the Rastafari.
Now watch the black disappear. Game.
Congratulations.
Unifying the world.
Want to play again?
Promoting love and peace. Photographed and defending.
All right, man.
Come on!
Well played. You're great at pool. So, thanks for taking me out again.
No problem.
Yeah, I've never dated a foreign guy before. A lot from another planet, but none from another country.
Okay.
Tell me about yourself. Tell me about Nico Bellic.
There is not much to tell. I just moved here.
I know, and you live with your cousin. But what do you guys do?
I don't have regular work yet.
So, what did you do in Europe?
I worked in tourism, in travel industry.
Did you fight in the war?
Sure.
How was that?
How do you think it was? Seeing your friends die? Seeing men have their legs blown off? It ruined me.
I'm so sorry.
Me too. Maybe here, things will be different.
Can't get you any closer, buddy.
Hey, I'm dying here. Can we go, please?
Can I come in?
Sure. Why not?
Great. We'll have fun.
Hey, buddy, get this crap moving, will ya?
Oh, you're special. Oh, Nico, I really like you. You're great, Nico Bellic. You're great.
I think she likes me.
TV.
I want to go to see. I'll take the long way.
How the fuck am I supposed to feed my kids?